When we say fluid, it refers to any substance that can flow or that can move in a relative motion such as liquids and gases. Meanwhile, mechanics deals with the force and energy and their effect on bodies. Upon adding these concepts, you get fluid mechanics. It equates to the study of fluid behavior at rest and in motion. Certain topics are under these big concepts such as hydrostatics, Archimedes and Bernoulli's principle, Torricelli's law, and etc. Now, an example of an object that portrays several fluid mechanics is a siphon. This coffee siphon utilizes the change in vapor pressure due to temperature to push the water from one vessel to the other. Let me explain it thoroughly using a homemade siphon. However, let us introduce ourselves first. We are Team Shift.
Hi, it's Thea. Hi, I'm Trisha. Hello, this is Tar. Hey, I'm Faye.
So how do you make a homemade siphon? You just need straws, cups, and water. Let us demonstrate it to you. A basic siphon consists of a tube in a larger container that goes up over a hump to empty out into a container at a lower level. The straw will serve as the tube. 3 straws are needed to form a tube in an M-like form wherein the other part has a curve which is slightly higher than the other. Grab 2 glasses. Fill up 1 glass with water, place it on an elevated place, then put the straw with lower heel inside the glass. Look! The water is now filling up the other glass. Now, let us talk why the water automatically flowed in and out of the straw from one container to the other. A decrease in atmospheric pressure is caused at the highest point in the tube where it passes over the hump. Do you notice that when you go to an elevated area, you cannot breathe properly? This is because there are less air molecules at the higher altitudes. The pressure on the highest point of the tube is actually lower than the atmospheric pressure on the surface of the liquid, which results in pushing the water up. This is because water flows from the area of the highest pressure to lower pressure. Immediately, placing the straw on the water creates enough pressure in order for the water to climb up here.
Once it reaches the bend, there is still pressure and force acting on it. That's why it is accelerated to go down. With the help of gravity, its velocity goes larger and larger that it reaches this point. When it reaches this level, it would not be accelerating up anymore. However, if enough pressure has been produced by the swift placement of straw in the water, it would create additional velocity to reach this third bend. The water in the tube is then low enough where it is now below the water level of the container or the cup. When that happens, it continues flowing and we got ourselves a self-automated siphon. In simple terms, the atmospheric pressure pushes the liquid up and gravity pulls the liquid down.
Salamat sa panonood! Mabuhay!